Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create inventory item movements. Let's focus on the steps to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. So before we begin discussing how to create inventory item movements, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to track the flow of goods within a business. It helps business understand where their inventory is, how much is on hand, and where it is going. By recording movements such as receiving, transferring, or selling inventory items, businesses can maintain accurate stock levels, optimize supply chains, and ensure timely delivery to customer. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So already here in back office. So you can log in your username. Type your username and your password. So click this login and go to this items inventory. So locate this inventory item movements. So we're already here in inventory item movement. So you can search the item, for example, the fries. So enter, click enter. Then we have a item right now or the item code. So the from location refers to where items are currently stored. For example, they have an option there. So store or track inventory, warehouse inventory. So the price is on the store inventory. Then the from to date specify the time period for tracking inventory movements. For example, uh, January January 31 to March 3. So you can click this show movements. So we're ready. The item movement. So I will discuss each of them. What is the meaning of this? So this type means the category of the inventory item, and the reference number means to unique the identifier to for the movement transaction. So the date means the date of the movement. The detail means to additional information about the movement. And this quantity in means to quantity of the item received. Then the quantity out means to quantity of item dispatched. So meaning of this quantity on hand means to inventory levels before and after. So on quantity on hand before 2024 January 31, this is the update. These are the update in before in 20 on January 31. So the delivery note, the reference number, the date, the detail, and the quantity in, the quantity out, and quantity on hand. So this and the after they have a quantity in is 10. So the quantity out is 43 and the quantity on hand. So they have a difference of this. So this is the process on how to create inventory item movement.